Hi you guys, and welcome back to our Beach Beauty Bar channel. If you are new here, welcome. We are going to talk today about a very all-natural 100% pure line that's called 100% pure. It's a makeup line, and it's literally 100% pure plants, vegetables, fruits, and it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's free of 1,000 toxins. It is such a great line, you guys, if you like natural products. So I'm gonna go into that a little later, talk more about their products. But just for a little background on this line, all because it's 100% pure doesn't mean it's 100% safe for your acne prone skin. So keep that in mind. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start out with their 100% pure bamboo blur foundation. This is the stuff I was raving about the other day. I love it. It's very lightweight and it says medium coverage. It is probably about medium coverage. And it says more of like a matte finish, but I realized when I do my little beauty blender trick, which if you didn't see the other day, take a beauty blender or like your regular brush, take some of your toner. I'm gonna use our Stay Calm by Beach Beauty Bar and just soak your beauty blender with your toner. Just cause when it's wet, it really gives that more moisturizer, like dewy look to your skin that I like lately, especially because we're all super dry. And then once your beauty blender is wet, ooh, that is very wet. Pause. Once your beauty blender is nice and soaked with your toner, I'm going to take my Blur foundation. And also, before we put on the foundation, I did put on some of our UV shade. This one's ultra because I want to be ultra hydrated today, so this one gives me a little bit more hydration than the matte finish one, but I like using them as primer, and then it also gives me that SPF I need throughout the day. So let's go in with our favorite foundation. So what's awesome about this, you guys, is it's 100% pure ingredients. So it's literally all plant, all fruit, but what I realized the only downfall with this stuff is that its shelf life is literally only 6 months. So that's kind of a bummer, especially when you get so much product like this. But I mean, if you use this every day, it's definitely worth it. You'll definitely go through it. But I also just like the fact that it's great for your skin. It has great products in it. It's more on that natural side, which you guys have been asking for. And their line, they have a couple of other ones too that I'll talk about a little later. And if you want access to the whole 100% pure line, that's going to be on our next month's makeup membership. Make sure you guys check that out. But this is just super lightweight. I really like this foundation. I've been wearing it for the past week now, and I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin. It just looks really hydrated and dewy. You don't really need a lot, it just comes out like a lot, but it blends pretty dang easily too. So I had nothing on my skin before other than that tinted sunscreen. We're just gonna pat this baby in, and that's all you gotta do, and it just looks so dang good and hydrated, and we're ready to tackle the day. What I honestly really like to do though is oops, I got some of my hairline. Set mine with powder because I get really oily throughout the day, and it would just smear off my face. But if you're more on like the dry side, you could just put this on and you'll be totally fine. Ooh, I love it. So you guys, this foundation can be a little tricky. So if you put on your primer and your moisturizer and stuff and you let it sit for a while and you let it absorb and you don't have any like tackiness to your skin and you put this on, it's going to leave patches. So just make sure your skin, like right after you put on your moisturizer and your sunscreen or your primer, you put this on, because if you let it sit and absorb and there's no like tackiness to your skin, it looks blotchy. It kind of got a little bit of that, but when I did this the other day with like a really moist face, it came out really good. But today it feels a little patchy, but that's okay. Still love this stuff, but just a little tip for you guys. So they're kind of a smaller line, so unfortunately I didn't find a bronzer by them, so I'm just gonna use our Stitch Cosmetics in the shade N5 Cool. It's kind of a darker tinted powder we have here, and I really like to do it with contour because it gives me a very natural contour, nothing too crazy. Oops, that's a little crazy. But like nothing too dark. It's my wife's favorite little tip and trick here. And if you guys do like this trick with this color of transparent powder, you can get it on our website too. It just like warms up the face a little bit. All right, so I'm definitely a foundation person when it comes to like all natural because it's going all over my face. Another one I got by them was their Fruit Pigmented Cream Foundation. It comes in like the cutest little metal like container thing. And the reason why I'm not using this, you guys, is because it literally, it's very dark. It's like my best color in the summer. So I'll probably use this in the summer or just use it as like a nice little contour on my foundation, but won't be using this guy for a little while. But if you guys are interested, this color is White Peach. And it's also safe as well. So I just got 2 foundations by them. A couple other things were not safe from them, all because they're 100% pure. Doesn't mean they're 100% safe for your acne prone skin. So I just got those 2, and also these cute little antibacterial wood pulp and hemp oil blotting sheets. They're super cute. I love oil blotting sheets for my oily skin throughout the day. So I just take one, blot all the excess oil. That way I don't have to worry about putting on more makeup. So love these, love the brand. All right, you guys, so that's everything from 100% Pure today, just short and sweet, a couple foundations here and there, and just letting you guys know, not the whole line is safe. That's why if you want access to the whole line, join our makeup membership. It's annual, it's $89 for the whole year, and you get access to not only 100% Pure, but every other makeup line we reviewed. Also, if you have any suggestions, send them our way. We can review those too. If you are already part of our makeup membership, stay tuned for next month and you'll have access to all of the 100% Pure line. All right, you guys, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye. Also, one last thing, you guys, there is a 100% Pure store if you are in Orange County, in Fashion Island in Newport. So if you want to actually go and get color matched or whatever it is, you can actually go in store and find your perfect foundation too. So just a nice little thing to know for you guys if you are local like us. So stay tuned, you guys, and keep watching if you want to learn more about 100% Pure.